Hi guys, my name is Bhagiraj. In this tutorial, I will explain about how to shrink a table. For this, why why we have to shrink our table? First of all, our table has 1 lakh records. In 1 lakh records, they are occupied in a data blocks like this. That means contiguous blocks. When we deleted some rows in on the table, the the deleted rows may be deleted from not non-contiguous blocks. So this FLB mean free list blocks I mentioned here. Mainly this block now this free list blocks don't have a free space, but it not showing as a unused block. So that's why we have to shrink our table. This type of free list blocks are called as a fragment space. And now I explain what is high watermark. High watermark mean when we inserting a data, the last rightmost used and other user or occupied block is called high water mark. That means Oracle put a mark in last user blocks. That is the high water mark. High water mark. For explaining this, I explain this with an example. For this, I have two sessions in the same database. In one session, I log in as a sys user, and another user I log in as a user U2. So first of all, I explain this topic. I am creating a one table space. Create table space. My table space name is test123. Test12. For data file location, sorry, pwd. So this is my data files location. So I am giving here, and my data file name is test12.dbf and size 100 MB. So here my table space should be created. So yeah, my table space is created, and in this user I'm logging as a user U2. Connect U2 U2, and I'm checking how many tables are in this user. Select star from tab. So totally I have 8 tables in this user. So I'm creating uh, now I have to created a new table here. Before that, I assign our new table space to user U2. For that, alter user U2 default table space test12. So now user altered. So I'm now here I'm creating a new table. Table name is table test12. I'm creating this table test12 same as a dept table. So that's why I'm creating table like this, star from select star from dept. So now let me check how many rows in this table. Select from test12. Sorry, typographical mistake. Yeah, totally I have 4 records. For explaining this topic, 4 records are not enough, so I am inserting more rows in this table by using below command. Insert into our test12 table. Select star from test12. 4 rows are inserted. Even though these 4 rows, extra 4 rows are also not enough, for this I am executing more I am executing same command in more times for inserting more rows. For this I execute the same command one more time, more time. Yeah, these all are enough. So let me check how many rows in my table. Select count from test 1 to. So nearly I have 5,24,000 records. Now I am checking this all rows are occupied how much space in our table space test 1 to as a sys user. We also check this as a U2 user from a user underscore tables. Now I'm getting this information with this command as a sys user. A table name is equal to test 1 to. Yeah, yeah. So this result tells us table space name is test12. So here we created, and segment name is test12, and segment type is table, because user u2 is created a table on this test12 table space. That's why segment type is showing as a table. And this table occupied 15 MB in test12 table space, and also it occupied 1920 blocks, nearly 2000 blocks, and 30 extents. So this table 1 is u2, because u2 is created by this table is created by user u2. So that's why it's showing 1 as a u2. Now I have to delete some rows from in this table. For that, delete from test1 to where dept number equal to 10. So I am deleting some rows in test12 table. Yeah, nearly 1,31,000 records are deleted. I am deleting some more records from my table where depart number equal to 40. So this row also should be deleted. Now I'm counting how many rows in my table. Yeah, nearly half of the rows are I deleted. And now in as a sys user I am executing the same command for getting result. This result also showing as a previous result. Even I deleted half of the rows from a table, still it shows a space as a 15 MB, blocks also same, extents also same, everything same, but I deleted some data. So this the free space is not showing in this query, because because of this fragmented space, so it's showing as a same result of previous query. For getting our free space back, we used to shrink our table. For shrinking a table, first we have to enable a row movement. By default, every table has a row movement disabled. So that means row movement is disabled in uh, all tables by default. For enabling row movement, I using this command alter table test1 to enable row movement. Simple very. So why I enable row movement is, when I shrinking a table, the the rows of a table should be moved to another blocks. That's why I am enabling row movement. Now I am giving a shrinking command alter table test1 shrink space compact. so it waiting some time. Yeah, this command is executed successfully. Now we check, now we check how much space is in this table, in the table space, our table space. Here also we getting same result of previous. So I explain what happened with this command is, this is the happen our previous command. That means user blocks are coming into one side and free list blocks are coming into one side, and user blocks staying end of the extent. So this is the happen in our last command. So this command, so for converting free list blocks to unused blocks, I issuing the following command. So the command is used for converting free list blocks to unused blocks. The command is alter. It's same as a above command, except combat keyword test123 and shrink space. So now we check our result. Yeah, here we get our free space back. So yeah, previous we have 15 MB, but now we have only 6 MB occupied by our table test12, and blocks also reduced and actions also reduced. So what happened here with command is, this command releases the this free list blocks to unused blocks. That means this command convert the free list blocks to unused blocks. We directly, actually we directly use this command without this we use this command. But here one small issue is there. The difference between this command and this command is, when we issue this command, that the table should be locked. So while we have a more business hours, the table should not be locked. If if our table is locked, our clients will be disturbed. So when I have a business hour, I use this command. In this time, when I using this command, my table should not be locked. Just the process, this command makes it makes into user blocks into one side, and free list blocks into one side, and unused blocks into one side. Just it just it change the location of this type of blocks. When I issuing this command, the FLB blocks are converted into unused block. While FLB blocks convert into unused blocks, here in this gap, table should be locked. So I use this command when I don't have a more business hours. I use this command. So when I don't have less business hour, so when I don't have any business hours, I issue this command. So this is the shrinking of a table. I hope you understand, you guys. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.